Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Very important part of my channel, the search engine optimization. The what is the social search engine optimization? Very important topics in social search engine optimization. What is the social search engine optimization? Social search engine optimization is the perfect of editing text based and picture like caption and text and close caption to your post to help people browsing social platform easily find your content. uh, Understand the social search engine optimization. If you understand the basic of technical search engine optimization in digital marketing, search engine marketing is standard from the search engine optimization search as like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Bayesian search for information. At that is safe up to list a website result and point to your content and lookly for your the content algorithms and is the CBH or the provide the search engine. Social network are not a technical search engine optimization, but they are all have search inbred. And the big social platform are including give more friction and traditional search engine to help match user and within content is then find the people organic your social network who to view the personalized feed and content from the specific people and brand their followers. Now people active use social network to search from the specific information, think product reviews, brand recommend, and the social business to visit. The social search engine optimization all about grind see when people are the active search engine content in the social their feed. The social search engine optimization tips for every network. However, what you do know great your content from the every social network. Number one, Instagram search engine optimization. Optimize your Instagram profile and search engine keyword and name, headline, and bio, including local and relevant. Including relevance keywords and hashtag and the caption higher hashtag is common and this the long effective keyword caption help create an keyword search page. Add title text. The main purpose add title text various content and assets. However, search and the benefit in helping Instagram. Use the subtitle. Instagram has the auto generate caption with the grain and assemble using the subtitle. Tag your location so your content will approve to now the Instagram maps and which can function is TikTok search engine optimization. Optimize your TikTok profile, search engine optimization keyword and TikTok profile and search engine optimization. Double deep your main keyword with the TikTok. There are the next and several and including and the YouTube search engine optimization. The very important the point the YouTube search engine optimization tips. Use your primary keyword process and the videos and file name for the example did you backgrounds more encryption your primary keyword please and then the bar will use long version people might be type YouTube search bar and the shows the build your keywords. Use keywords there are video description. Use keyword and video description will the first two lines and which is visit and click more including and keyword and description attach. Say your keyword videos and caption make specific keyword and somewhat they use between and the YouTube subtitle and studios. Create how to videos. How to videos get more overviews from search when out is the suggest videos playlist and don't worry you have tag. YouTube tag is the because inside is then current in DI and DM. Facebook search engine optimization. uh, Optimization your Facebook page and search engine optimization use mind keyword in Facebook And the social strategy description, add your business address and your profile relevant, which is will your page to include in local search, add local search and defense location, multiply and addition for the each and effect and reach and effort and in local search, including relevance keyword on post using the natural sounding language. Make sure the hidden most relevant keyword each your post and photos caption, including tags and Facebook all tags. Twitter, the search engine optimization, optimize your Twitter profile. Search engine optimization you make with and Twitter name, hidden name, headlines and bio, including relevance, keyword and hashtag. Any your post, we don't have lot of change who work with the use and keywords and them of nature, so you post on several rate. The ad is all text, you're including image and tweet and add text and including keyword and add description under this the image and creating tweet. The Pinterest search engine optimization. The Pinterest search engine optimization tips. Optimize your Pinterest profile search engine optimization. Use your main keyword in user and the Adobe the section. Create board on your primary keyword. Win the settings, sectors and use the primary keyword. Grade your board and create your name. Create your name and things and the keyword, including keyword your description. What write the description, search and informative, then you're the bring small keyword and your description. Use the high quality image, benefit of visual search. Pinterest lens and always use the within camera high definition quality and high quality image your shares in Pinterest. Pinterest, it is the powerful visitor search engine and primary social channel. LinkedIn search engine optimization. Optimize your LinkedIn page. Search engine optimization include your most relevant keyword and your page turning and about search. Create long form, create and brand and reality relevant keyword. LinkedIn at a LinkedIn article, give your brand room, create value and brands and important keywords. Don't honor the LinkedIn count search right and sim and quality and high quality and the post with the keyword hashtag and tag. Social search engine optimization can help your business create your content scene. It is the post creating your social content. Search has been all about working great your content in process brand. Now the people are taking more effective efforts and find creating social network and content. So your for discovered the social search engine optimization, thinking about the people discover the content. Grow your social channel first. Social channel, the search engine optimization, contain your people who don't use the follow search. Instagram. Why they use the social media? Search engine optimization using social media. Social media, the perfect and including relevance, information and keyword is the post. Increase your channel, have your content and feed. Search engine optimization in social network likely traditional search engine. The good tools of the strategy: Google Analytics and SME, Google search engine marketing, keyword tools, Google Trend, TikTok, social media platform based search engine optimization. The social media platform is the best search engine optimization. All the social platform of highly different optimization to encourage search engine techniques, which is the best. In those question answer and the network where the most focus the search engine effort effective, and then aware the audience and targeted audience. But your team and again sign up and the search engine optimization, frequency, YouTube defense, and social platform. And this is the super sign of YouTube and Google products. Look at the social search and optimization way to Google search result. YouTube win again. The Twitter, Google, Pinterest, and etc. etc. Thank you very much, my friend. Best of luck.